this yellow piece first, okay?
Mm-hmm.
This will probably sink though, I think. I'll see if this yellow piece sinks, okay?
Yep.
Ready?
I'm ready.
Yep, it sinks. I'll see if the lid sinks though. Yep, it sinks. Now, okay. What is that over there?
Where?
Over there, I see two cracking over there.
That's just pieces of tree limb.
Ready? I'm going to throw this piece.
Well, you throw it. You,
Land it over there.
you almost missed.
I want to throw it there.
Well, you can't get it. Now, get back. Your feet will get wet.
Let's see what else I can find to throw in there. Well, I wish we could just play with the fan. I wish.
Yeah, I do too.
If man one that can do that.
This might be a good place sometimes to have a sand bucket.
Look.
Yeah. Right here, it's getting damp.
Why
You
are
could
you
make a
turning that
sandcastle.
on? Why are you turning that on?
I'm just playing.
Why are you turning it on then?
I'm just playing.
Look. Look what I found.
I know, that's nasty. Better throw that down.
No, I'm going to throw it in the water.
And what will the fish do?
Get in it.
Huh?
Get in it.
Yeah, the fish will get in it.
What?
The fish might want to eat it.
Like you?
Anywhere, just don't get close to the water.
No.
You're in good shape right there.
Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
I'm going to throw it like this.
Okay. You see your best arm. You made it.
No, I wanted it to go through there.
Well, I can't help it. That's how far you throwed it.
Maybe I can throw this piece of wood inside it.
Look, there's mud coming up.
Why?
I don't know. Look, going through under the water right there. That big cloud. Well, let me see if I can get it. I can't see it with the camera. Big clump of mud floating through.
Oh, where?
Right here.
Where?
Right over here. I think that's a rock instead of driftwood. Your Nana wanted a piece of driftwood, not a rock.
Come here.
What?
Oh, I picked this up.
That's too nasty. You're going to get your pretty shirt, your jacket dirty.
Here. Put it in. Do you almost put this in the water? It's not going to work.
Let me see. Watch your feet. Let me find where it went. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
There you go. That's about the best we can get it.
No, I want it to go in there.
I'm not getting my feet wet, little lady. You ain't neither. Back up.
I'll go the piece
Okay.
inside that thing.
Little pieces of driftwood, okay.
Nope. It was so close, though. But it was so close.
It was so close, wasn't it?
So close.
I want to see another big boat.
I do too. That's enough too. I want to throw this.
Throw it. Throw anything you want to throw that ain't trash. Look, there was another fish. You missed it.
Hey.
Come right up at the end of that piece of wood.
That one?
Right there. I don't see him now, but he come right up and looked at you. Ha ha.
It might come up and...
That fish come right up there looking at you.
Look, I got in!
Huh?
I got in!
You did, didn't you?
Yeah.
You're a pretty good shot.
But I don't know. There's something that sinks to the bottom.
Well, a little rock will sink to the bottom.
There is a little rock anyway.
I don't see none. Let's walk around through here and see.
I found a little rock. I found a little rock.
I don't see none.
Look. I found one.
You did, didn't you? And you're getting nasty, and I'm going to get in trouble. You were supposed to stay clean down here. You know.
I feel that I'm for the fence.
Everybody goes to the riverbank to stay clean, you know. Don't that sound crazy to you? Of course you can't stay clean when you're playing on the riverbank.
I need some help.
Okay, a little bit. You can go out a little bit there to that mark I made you. Right there is good. As far as you need to go.
No, I can't get it in.
Yeah, you got it.
I just got that.
Moving, I'll get it for you and you can try again. My boots is already soaking wet anyhow. You sent me in the water too many times.
Can you help me throw this?
Yeah. Just want me to do it for you? And I'll put it right in that square.
What thing?
Right there.
Whoa. Ready?
Yep.
I need to throw it with both hands,
Throw,
okay?
throw it with both hands.
You ready?
Yep, throw it real hard. Okay, back up. Now your shoes are going to get wet, remember.
No, I can get it with this stick.
That stick ain't strong enough.
I'll move it. I see it all. I got wet anyway, Papa. Look. I got wet anyway, Papa.
What is? No, back up here. We got to keep your feet dry in some new shoes. Somebody will get hung.
I want it.
No, we'll find another rock. I don't want wet, you don't want wet.
This.
Okay, yeah, throw that. All these pieces of wood, you just have at it and throw. Throw it like this way. You can throw farther.
This.
Okay, yep, throw it.
Like this?
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah, that'll work.
That. Come on. Papa, come on.
I'm coming. I can't see the screen, so I don't really know what I'm getting a picture of.
This.
Okay, throw it.
We need hurry for that to stay from the land.
I didn't see it. There's so much glare on this screen, I can't tell what I've got a picture of, babe. Can't hardly tell that it's on.
Two things, okay? Look, that thing's out there, like this phone is all the way out there. See it?
Yep.
Right there?
We need a little shield to keep the light off of this screen. Okay, my camera letters is turning red, so we're probably out of time.